Hello, my name is Michael Castaneda of Plastic Audio, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of the Rode Wireless Go compact wireless microphone system. So although I'm not going to be using this for podcasting probably, I do have some clients where I do a lot of cell phone recording and the audio on the cell phone sucks. So I wanted to get a lav mic that captured better audio than the onboard microphone for the cell phone. So right now we're using the Sennheiser EWG4, which is the name of this lavalier system, I believe. And after I open this up, we'll compare the audio with this Rode Go to this. So let's get right to it. This came out about a year ago, or maybe a little bit less than a year ago. And for the price, in my opinion, you really can't beat it. Nice little packaging right here. Tearing to open this up. So first thing is going to be the mics with a little bit of documentation showing you how to use it. So that's it right there. You get two. You get the RX and the TX. The RX is the receiver and the TX is the transmitter. So that's going to be the transmitter. That's going to be the receiver. Really, really cool little units. Like I said, after I open this, I'll plug them in so we can get a sample. The way you charge them is with USB cables. I believe it's USB-C. So you get two of those. They supply two of those. You also get two windscreens. One backup, which is great. You get the SC cable. I believe it's called the SC cable, which is a TRRS, or a TRS. No, it is a TRS, SD. You get the TRS, which is great. You get a little bit of documentation again, warranty nonsense. And then you get the pouch, neoprene Velcro pouch. So I will plug these in, hook them up, and then we'll give you a little bit of test audio. But here it is, the Rode Wireless Go. Retails for $199. Okay, we'll be right back. So we took it out of the box. We turned on the power for the transmitter. We held the power button for or on the receiver for 3 seconds. Battery was already charged a little bit. It linked up, good to go. So this is the Rode Wireless Go lavalier system. So far so good. I really like it. SD's telling me that the audio sounds good, so I'm stoked. Can't wait to do more recordings. Follow Plastic Audio on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at Plastic Audio.